Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to make an easy, simple ribeye steak recipe. So let's get right into it. It's very easy to make and fail proof. These are my ribeye steaks here. I have garlic, I have butter and orange pieces, and my Spicy Girl and some salt. And that's it. Spicy Girl you can order off my website. The link will be below in my description box. You want to season both sides of your steak liberally. I'm going to use salt because my seasoning is low in sodium, but you don't have to use salt. It's definitely optional, but I added a little salt. While I set that to the side to marinate, I'm going to make an easy, simple salad. Just some green leaf lettuce, some tomatoes, some cheese, and some croutons, and maybe some dressing. And oh, I love my crispy onions too, you guys, and crispy jalapenos, but I didn't have any today. I'm going to add a little ranch, mix it up, and set it to the side. And that's the salad to go with the steaks. It's so easy and simple to make. So now I'm going to put my steaks in a nice hot skillet. And you don't want to touch it, don't move it. So make sure you're strategic when you're putting it down because you don't want to move it around. Once you put it down, you need to leave it alone. For my taste, I like medium on my steak, so in about 3 minutes or so I flip my steak. If you want it to be well done, I suggest going 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I add the butter, my garlic pieces, and my orange pieces. The orange is going to add like a citrus note to the steak. Alright, so once the orange and the garlic infuse the butter, you're going to start basting your steak just like how I'm doing here, by just scooping it with a spoon and spreading it all over your steaks while they're cooking and on the stove. I should have angled my camera a little better, but that's okay. You guys can still see. But the steak was so delicious. It had a slight orange taste to the steak, and the garlic, of course, and the butter and my spice. So it was pretty good. So I'm just going to put my steak down on a plate just like this. And then I'm going to put the salad and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Thank you guys for watching my video. And I'll be back with the rest of my Thanksgiving edition recipes. Thanks for being patient. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram to keep up with what I've been up to and what's been going on and why I've been MIA. Follow me at _Misha's_corner. Thank you guys so much for understanding. Bye.